So hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. Today I will try to work on a new amplifier. This time we are talking about Teac A7 amplifier. Let me try to focus a little bit here. Okay, so it's a little really simple amplifier with tape inputs, tuner, auxiliary phono, all the good stuff. Very interesting button layout, and this amplifier has I think a little problem with the actual relay. I already put it in connected to the power socket, and it looks like the power relay makes it or goes haywire. So I will open it now so you can see the internals. And we are talking about here about this relay. This is actually put on the same PCB with the speakers, so it looks like it's the speaker relay. I really hope it's focused. Not. Oh, so let's turn it around. Make some room here to work on, and maybe zoom a little bit on the working area. So what I see already here inside the relay housing, there is a little bit of moisture, so could be that this could be the issue. But let's connect it to the power socket and see exactly if it still does that problem. Okay. So yeah, it looks like it's doing the same. So as you can see, it's started going on and off and on and off continuously. So to be honest, the single solution that I have it right now is to somehow try to get out the moisture out of this relay housing. I presume that the moisture is making a false contact between the pins of the internals of the relay, and that's why it's doing this. So I will try to get out this front panel, but first let's disconnect this from power. And trying to remove the front panel. there are 6 screws keeping the front panel attached. Okay, so we have to remove these knobs. Okay, also this. So we still have some, okay, some front, the connectors. This connectors has to be unplugged. Okay. And now we have more access here. Okay, so let's put this aside and try to get out this part of the PCB where this relay is attached. So it looks like the space here is not that good. We'll need to find a solution how to get this out of here. I will remove also the power button, on-off switch. Okay, with this aside, we can work on it much easily. So it seems I don't have enough space here to remove this plate, this PCB. I will need also to remove this frame, front panel frame. And let's unscrew this. So we still have some screws that's keeping this together. Yeah, I think this. And here another two. Okay, let's hope now we can remove the front frame. Okay, still seems it is not willing to come out. Okay, so we finally managed to remove this speaker relay panel. So let's try to clean it a little bit here. It has a lot of dust. Okay, and see if we can remove this top housing, the relay top housing. Let's also put some contact cleaner here. Since I don't think I will be able to remove this housing, because mainly this housing are glued on, I got an idea. I will make a short little incision here somehow and try to force out the moisture. So for this I will use my soldering gun and I will make a short a little hole there. Okay. And I will use a hair dryer just to remove the water outside of the relay. Okay. And now taking a look on it. Okay. Looks like there's no moisture inside anymore. So I think this is a good thing. Maybe I can remove this excess plastic. So yeah, let's see if now we have the same outcome with this relay. If not, if there is the same problem, now I think we will have to remove the relay from the actual board. Okay, so it looks like this didn't resolve the problem. In this case, I will have to remove the relay from the board and try to find another solution. Okay, so let's try and remove it. So this relay has this relay I think has 6 feet. This relay is really hard to remove. Okay, so I think we are finally and finally success. Okay, let's get this out of our site and start working on the actual relay. Okay, so we have an Omron type G2Z relay made in Japan, and let's see if we can manage somehow to remove this cover. Okay. Okay, good. So I already see some corrosion here. The pins. I will use my trusty contact cleaner. Okay, and on these actual pins I will try to remove this corrosion with this screwdriver. And also from the relay pads. Okay, I will let this contact cleaner evaporate, let it do his work, and then I will reattach this to the main PCB and see if this resolved the problem. Okay guys, so yeah, I've managed to clean up this little relay, and now I have put it back, solder it back on the PCB. It seems it had a little bit of corrosion on the pads, but yeah, now I think it looks a little bit cleaner. so we can now finally test it. So first of all, let me zoom out here so you can see the whole thing, and let's attach some speakers. Okay, and the left speakers also. Okay, and we have the power, and let's yeah, power it on. Okay, at least this is a good thing. We don't have the crazy relay going haywire, and as I see here, the pads of the relay are actually connected, so this is a good thing. So now we have the speakers connected. Let's try and yeah, connect also an input here. Okay, and find some no copyrighted music. Okay, and yeah. Okay, it works. Okay, so it's saying it works. We have also balance. So if you hear there is a little bit of static, so we will have to clean this this volume control. Okay, good. So it looks like it works. We will only have to clean this volume control here with some contact cleaner, and yeah, afterwards put it all together, give it a little bit of cleaning, all the dust away, and I think we now have a fully working amplifier. So yeah, thank you very much for this watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. And yeah, if you have some suggestions or something like that, please don't hesitate to contact me. So thank you. Bye.